Struggling with low self-esteem? You're not alone. But here's how you can flip the script instantly. 1. Start with posture. Stand tall. Roll your shoulders back. Look straight ahead. Confidence starts in the body. 2. Use power words. Speak kindly to yourself. Say, I am capable. I am enough. Words shape reality. 3. Do one brave thing. Send the message. Ask the question. Take the step. Small wins build big belief. 4. Surround yourself wisely. Distance yourself from critics. Get closer to encouragers. Your environment matters. 5. Celebrate small wins. Finished that task. Got out of bed? Spoke up today? That counts. Honor it. Every step you take is proof that you're stronger than you think. Want more mindset and wellness hacks? Follow Bloom Health Haven and visit bloomhealthhaven.com and edithspro.com to transform your life from the inside out.